In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your website on Google Search Console. Okay, so it's simple and easy. Search on Google Search Console. Okay, and open it. Start now. And you need to select URL prefix. Okay, and you need to paste your website URL here. Okay, here. I'm just copying it, paste it. Okay, and now click on continue. Here you can see we can verify it with HTML tag, Google Analytics, or others too method. So we will go to HTML tag. Okay. First, you need to go to your website dashboard. Here you can see this is my website WordPress dashboard. Okay. So I will tell you the simple method, which is you need to just install a plugin, which is, listen, WP code. This one. Install it. Activate. Okay. Okay. Code snipped. Header and footer. Okay. Listen. Here's that. Copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site homepage. It should go to the head section before the first body section. Okay. Copy it. Listen. Okay. I copy it, and here you can see header and footer. Click it. Here you can see header. You need to just paste the code here. Okay. Save change. It's okay. It's finished. And click verify. Ownership verified. It's simple. I told you that. It's simple. Now I'm clicking go to property. Now you can see it's your website. And you can see a lot of data, performance, indexing, enhancement, experience, and a lot of things.